Welcome to Best Choice. The Best LED Face Mask is probably one of the most exciting and innovative tech gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of fashion and functionality that allows you to express yourself in dynamic and eye-catching ways, making it perfect for parties, festivals, or just standing out from the crowd with its customizable light displays that react to sound and movement, truly bringing your style to life. Number 5. RENPHO Eyeris 3 Eye Massager. Discover the RENPHO Eyeris 3, your ultimate solution for eye care. This innovative device offers advanced features for unparalleled comfort and relief. Take advantage of your FSA or HSA benefits to purchase this eye massager. It's an eligible item for your health spending or savings account, making eye care more accessible. Struggling with gift ideas? This heated eye massager is an excellent choice for anyone experiencing eye strain, migraines, or discomfort. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Experience the future of self-care with its pioneering voice control. Adjust massage settings effortlessly with handy voice commands, freeing your hands for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy customizable heating and cooling options to soothe puffiness, dry eyes, and fatigue. The removable cooling mask provides a refreshing compress for targeted relief. Customize your massage with multiple compression modes, pressure levels, and vibration functions. It targets your eyes and temples for a truly personalized and comfortable experience. Benefit from its memory function to recall your favorite settings and easy-to-clean materials for safe use. Enjoy Bluetooth connectivity and built-in white noise for enhanced relaxation. What we like? This eye massager offers advanced voice control for effortless adjustments. Its unique combination of soothing heat and cooling compresses targets eye strain and puffiness. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage dry eyes or migraines, especially if you can use your FSA/HSA funds, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has massage, heat, and vibration modes. You can choose to have all three on or just one at a time, or choose which ones you'd like. It also has a music feature. The voice feature explains what modes it's on, when to keep your eyes closed, and how long the massage is for and when it's done. This really helps with that. I also carry a lot of tension. I have had migraines, although they don't occur often. I really love this for all of those things. The pressure is amazing. You can use it for migraine sinus pressure, you can have it focus just on your eyes, etc. And you can make the pressure more or less, heat higher or lower. There are white noises built in with customizable volume, and you can also attach to Bluetooth. The heat function is great, and the sensation around the eyes and temples really is very soothing. The voice commands are very specific. For example, if you want to turn off the heat, you need to say no temperature. If you say no heat, it does nothing or moves it to another heat setting. Number 4. Ompusos LED Mask. Introducing the Ompusos LED Mask, a revolutionary mask that brings your style to life. With advanced gesture sensing, you can control its vibrant light display effortlessly. Simply wave your hand to change the patterns and colors. This mask offers a unique and interactive way to express yourself. Elevate any costume with this eye-catching LED mask. It's perfect for Halloween, parties, or any event where you want to stand out. Looking for a cool gift for the teen boys in your life? This mask is an unforgettable present for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. More than just a mask, it's a canvas for your imagination. Create dazzling light shows and become the center of attention wherever you go. Experience the future of wearable tech and light-up fashion. Get ready to turn heads and make a statement with this incredible LED mask. What we like? This mask features cool gesture sensing technology for interactive effects. It's designed to light up and is perfect as a costume accessory. If you're looking for a fun, attention-grabbing item for Halloween, Christmas, or a party, this is the one to make a statement. What people say. The Ompusos LED mask is absolutely well worth the money. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell it's built solidly. The materials feel robust, and the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable, light fit for adults and older kids alike. It's definitely designed to last through multiple party seasons. The 50 pattern display is fantastic, offering 25 dynamic modes and 25 static images. You can easily switch between vibrant multicolor effects, smooth gradients, or simple, classic single-color glows. The gesture sensing support is incredibly intuitive. Just press the power button, cover the sensor, wait for the OK, and you can change the screen picture with a simple wave of your hand. Operating the mask is incredibly easy to operate, and the longevity is impressive. It charges conveniently via Type-C and provides an excellent 8 to 10 hours of use. It works very quietly, which is a huge plus. Number 3. Aphrona Halo LED Face Mask. Discover the new generation of skincare with the Aphrona Halo LED Mask. This advanced tool is designed to effectively treat acne and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving you smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Our mask utilizes safe LED light technology, with red light penetrating deep into your skin. Unlike harmful UV rays, these lights are non-damaging, produce no heat, and have no side effects. Experience a comfortable treatment with our patented design, featuring built-in eye covers to protect your eyes. The strategically placed LED chips ensure even coverage, targeting your most concerning areas. Join the 94% of users who feel relaxed and refreshed after each use. With a 90-day free return policy and a 1-year warranty, you can try it risk-free. Enjoy salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Simply wear the lightweight mask for 25 minutes while the LED lights work their magic. It's hands-free and easy to use. It's suitable for all skin types and designed for maximum comfort and effectiveness. Get ready to reveal your best skin yet with this innovative beauty tool. What we like. This device offers comprehensive skin therapy for both face and neck with multiple LED color options. It aims to reduce wrinkles and treat acne for smoother, more youthful skin. If you desire a complete at-home spa treatment to rejuvenate your complexion and address multiple skin concerns, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The design stands out with full face and neck coverage, and the magnetic neck attachment is easy to line up and stays in place. The mask is comfortable and lightweight, completely hands-free and relaxing once it's on. It combines red, blue, and orange light, and the skin feels smoother overall with fewer breakouts and less redness over time. Number 2. VogueNow LED Face Mask Light Therapy Premium Spa Kit. Reveal your skin's natural radiance with our luxurious LED Light Therapy Kit. This innovative beauty device harnesses advanced LED technology for effective results in the comfort of your home. Achieve celebrity-like radiant skin with our premium kit. Experience a skincare revolution with our LED Light Therapy Mask. It uses advanced technology to tighten and rejuvenate your skin, improving its vitality. You'll be left with radiant, stress-free, and naturally glowing skin. Maximize your skincare results with 3 complementary products for a complete spa-like experience. A facial cleansing brush for surface cleaning, an ultrasonic scrubber for deeper cleansing, and a green tea serum for enhanced light therapy benefits. Our mask features a combination of different LED lights, each targeting specific skin concerns for a rich glow. Red light firms the skin, blue and cyan calm irritation, green brightens, yellow detoxifies, and white offers complete rejuvenation. We offer a quality you can trust with a 1-year warranty on top of Amazon's 30-day guarantee. If you have any issues, we will fix it ASAP. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Make this LED face mask light therapy set your way of saying, I love you, and delight your loved ones. It's the perfect spa gift for women, self-care gift, Valentine's Day gift, and many more occasions. What we like. This premium kit provides a spa-like experience with a 7-color LED mask and includes essential accessories for enhanced results. It targets various skin concerns to give you radiant, glowing skin. If you want a complete, elevated skincare routine with professional-grade tools at home, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. The mask itself is lightweight and comfortable, easy to use, and the 7-color light options are great for targeting different skin concerns. The ultrasonic scrubber and brush are amazing additions. They really help my skin feel deep cleaned and smooth. The instructions are extremely detailed. Love that it explained each LED color and benefits for each. Number 1. NEWKEY LED Face Mask Light Therapy. Discover the NEWKEY LED Face Mask, a revolutionary device designed to rejuvenate your skin. It utilizes clinically proven wavelengths of red and blue light to address your specific skin concerns. Experience the power of red light therapy. This treatment penetrates deep into the skin to stimulate natural cell repair and boost collagen production, visibly softening fine lines and improving your overall complexion for a radiant glow. Combat acne with targeted blue light therapy. It effectively neutralizes acne-causing bacteria on the skin's surface, significantly reducing breakouts and inflammation. Achieve clearer, smoother skin with consistent use. Our mask features 150 medical-grade LEDs that deliver precise wavelengths and optimal energy for effective results. Enjoy a 10-minute auto shut-off feature for safe and convenient treatments. Incorporate this mask into your routine for enhanced skincare absorption and a smoother skin surface. It's the perfect addition for achieving a photogenic look, whether for everyday wear or special occasions. Using it is simple. Cleanse your face with a mask for just 10 minutes every other day, and follow with your favorite skincare products. Consistency is key to unlocking your skin's natural radiance. What we like. This mask utilizes clinically proven wavelengths with 150 LEDs for effective wrinkle and acne treatment. It offers a convenient 10-minute auto shut-off for easy integration into your routine. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and results-driven solution for anti-aging and acne concerns, this is the mask for consistent, visible improvements. What people say. For LED I mainly use the blue light for acne, and yellow for smoothing and green for allergies, 10 minutes each in the evening. On weekends I would also do it in that morning I would do all colors on auto mode for 30 minutes. 7 different light colors. Adjustable timer from 1 minute up to 20 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.